Jain Motivational Award. All the speakers, please come on to the dais. Please give them a big round of applause. I'm sure many of you would be in their positions in the coming year, so the applause should not stop. Yes, congratulations.
Congratulations, girls. Now, I would like to call on stage Ms. Anjali Kumari, CSC, BTech second year, topper among all the branches, to receive Sri Dharampal Scholarship. Now, I would like to call on stage Ms. Arushi Arora, CSC, topper among all the branches, BTech third year, to receive Sant Rajendra Singh Ji Scholarship. A big round of applause for Arushi Arora. We thank all our dignitaries and congratulations to all our meritorious students. A memento to our Honorable Director of Directorate in Training and Technical Education, Shri Sarpreet Singh Ji.
Please don't stop the applause. I now invite Dr. Nidhi Goyal, HOD, Electronics, Communication and Engineering, to present a memento to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, ma'am. Please clap loudly. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for being here with us. We are really proud and privileged to have you as a guiding beacon of light. Thank you. I now invite Dr. Manoj Soni, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering, to kindly present a memento to our dear Registrar Sir, Professor R.K. Singh.
Sir, we now invite Professor R.K. Singh, Registrar of IGTTU, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks. Sir.
Shri S.S. Gill, IAS, Director Technical Education, dear colleagues, students and proud parents. I start my vote of thanks with some of the quotes of our beloved President Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad, which I feel is worth mentioning today. The ignited minds of the youth is the most powerful resource. According to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, 3 steps guide to achieve goals in life are finding an aim in life before you are 20 years old, acquire knowledge continuously to reach the goal, work hard and persevere so you can defeat all the problems and succeed. Dear students, today is the beginning of the new phase of your life, and goals set by you today will pave your future. Please remember, excellence is a process and it does not attain by accident. You have to work hard continuously to achieve it. My best wishes. A very good afternoon to everyone present here. On behalf of the university, it is a great honor and privilege to stand before you and to deliver the vote of thanks. At first, I would like to thank Shri Manish Sisodia ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and Minister of Higher and Technical Education, Government of NCT of Delhi. His contributions in transforming the public education system in Delhi as Education Minister is well known to everyone. I would like to extend my thanks to Shri S.S. Gill, IS, Director Technical Education, for his thought-provoking address. Sir, your continued support, encouragement and guidance will make the university to attain greater heights in achieving the excellence in higher and technical education. My heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Amita Dev, under whose leadership the university is progressing and achieving its goals in leap and bounds. Respected Madam, your vision, incessant efforts, guidance is invaluable resource to all of us, and I am sure under your patronship, the IGDTUW will attain its objectives of being among the top university in India very soon. I extend my thanks to the proud students who have got the Excellence Award and the scholarship and have become the ideal for the rest of the students of the university. Keep doing good and guide your colleagues and juniors for continued academic excellence. I extend my thanks to all deans for providing guidance, apprising the various policies of the university and various academic and curricular activities of the university to the students. My special thanks to all the HODs under whose academic supervision the students are continuously achieving the academic excellence and bringing the name and fame to the university. The university highly appreciates the efforts of our training and placement officers, Dr. Jasdeep Kaur Dhanova and Dr. Nathiram Chauhan and their team for providing the best placement opportunities to the students. Thanks for all your efforts, and I expect that with your initiatives, the growth in terms of placement and offer packages to the students will keep rising continuously. I would like to extend thanks to all admission officers and their team for making successful admission in the academic year 2019-20 in the UG programs, PG programs and the PhD programs. I would like to extend my special thanks to Dr. Vivekanand Jha for his contribution in achieving 100% admission in the BTech and B Architecture programs of the university. Every institution is known in the outside world with the achievements of the alumni. I extend my warm wishes to the alumni present today in the auditorium and as well as in the outside world. You are the emissaries of the university and we feel proud of your contributions in professional work. We are highly obliged with your presence today. I am grateful to the organizing team of the 7th Orientation Program for making beautiful arrangements for the smooth conduct of the orientation program. My special thanks to Dr. Nidhi Goyal, Dr. Manoj Soni, Dr. Bhavya, Dr. Shipra, Dr. Nazmin and their team for making the arrangements. My vote of thanks would not be complete without the special mention of our colleague Shri Naveen Kumarji. His incessant efforts, commitment, devotion, active involvement and sustained enthusiasm, ideas and initiatives have made all the university functions to achieve its excellence. Thanks Naveenji and your team for all your efforts in making the program a great success. I thank all officers and office bearers of the Pyarelal Bhavan for providing support and extending the facilities for conduct of the orientation program. I am thankful to all my faculty members, staff members and student volunteers. I sincerely recognize your constant support and express my deep gratitude to everyone who has contributed silently in making this program a great success. I realize that I might have missed few other institutions and individuals who have been supporting us. I wish to be forgiven for not specifically expressing our gratitude. I thank all the students and their parents for attending the orientation program and once again congratulate the students for choosing IGDTUW for their academic, technical and professional pursuits. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
you all who are present here on the 7th Orientation Day of IGTTUW. Thank you, sir, Director BTE, for taking out the precious time and joining us on this day. Thank you, DC ma'am.
Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat.